Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mr. Baptist, and this is
I am James Bong.
Charles Tingales. Can we ask some questions? Can you introduce yourself and describe your role within the organization?
Okay, I'm Ms. Chen. I'm a branch manager of World Trade Nationwide Corporation in Pangulo branch.
What the key responsibilities and challenges of the position?
My key responsibilities and challenges of my position is to manage the branch, the transaction, and to oversee the operation, developing and attaining target, and also to guide my co-employee.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And how did you start your career in the field and what led you to your career growth?
Okay, so in my career in motor trade, I'm the product of promotion. So 3 years passed. I think 2 years and a half. I'm a marketing assistant, and 1 year in management academy, and in God's grace, and 2 years and 6 months in service, being a branch manager. So in that time, siguro na-achieve na ako being a branch manager is because I was motivated by career advancement, personal development, financial reward, customer satisfaction, and effective leadership.
Can you share some insight into the skills and qualities required to succeed in your role?
Again,
Can you share some insights into the skills and qualities required to succeed in your role?
isa lang po yung masasabi ko dyan. So, being a branch manager of motor trade, ipinapadama ko sa mga tao ko na hindi po ako boss, but isa po akong leader sa kanila.
What do you find the most rewarding about your job?
So, for me, by helping and yield customer service, and sa trabaho ko kasi sa motor trade, it's not all about benta or target sales. Sa amin din yung visionary is to uplift life, living by bridging capital and goods.
How do you handle conflicts or challenges within your team or organization?
So, dun sa na-experience ko sa branch, being a manager is not easy. But every conflict or challenges, so dili ni mag-start sa adlaw or sa buntag na naami conflict. So, we have morning meeting, and also dili sa inyo nga manager ko, ako lang ang masunod sa branch. So dapat open ka na idea sa tanan mo kaon, then para mas maayo mong gudyon daghan ang idea kay anak mo grow or ma-develop ang branch kung night ang work. Okay, and aside from that, so gitreat na ko ang mga co-employee na fair, equal. It's not all about manager ko, ako din ako sa mga. Pero sometimes naman yung mga decision na mas mayo sila ang manager ang decision.
Can you share a significant project or accomplishment that you are particularly proud of?
So, again, a significant project.
Or accomplishment that you are particularly proud of?
So in motor trade, we have target, a sales target, not also sales, but documentation, customer service. So I'm proudly saying that in my 2 years and 6 months, not every month, but always, makakuha mi sa mga target. So it's not all about me, but also the help of my crew.
How do you see the future of the industry evolving? And what skills do you believe will be most important for future leaders?
Sige, diba sinabi ko kanina, being a leader is really give you ma-feel sa ako employee mo or sa inyong mga tao na boss ka. But ma-feel mo na leader ka. Dapat as a leader, open minded ka. And for the future industry evolving now and future, so alam naman natin no, na pumataas yung inflation. So by the time tataas pa din. Then aside from that, tumataas yung inflation, marami ding mga opportunities na mag-build. So gawin natin positive yung inflation for future.
What advice would you give to someone aspiring to a leadership role in this field?
Isa lang po, hindi lang isa, pero maraming advice yung ibibigay ko. Sige, number 1 is being a positive leader. Kasi dyan po, dyan magsisimula yung ng team, yung pagiging positive. Tapos, leadership skills must we have the ability to inspire and support of your team in achieving the best performance.
And lastly, how do you maintain a work-life balance and what are your hobbies or interests outside of work?
Okay, so time management and make schedule flexible. And my hobbies and interests outside of work, isa lang po yung masasabi ko. Mali kayo dyan. Tara, dyan kayo. Yan lang.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.